My dear friends, this is Dr. Paneer Selvam on behalf of Ruby Consultancy. Today there is a glimpses of paperless budget 2021. So I think there is an announcement given covering some 5 points. Number one, I think LTC, the tax relief, which we already seen in our video. That is, your LTC will be reimbursed and the amount will have to be spent by online against GST 12% or more than 12%. So that I think indirectly the revenue will be received by the government in terms of taxes. That is LTC tax relief. Second one will be the deduction of medical insurance and health care taken. That's for individual as well as family. Because of the pandemic, the treatment was taken by elder family members, junior, or with the accessibility of health care from so many places. So it's not like earlier that is 25,000 to 1 lakh, but I think the ground reality will be taken into considerations. So as regard of the LTC, per person can claim about 36,000 rupees worth of goods purchased. The second one will be about 25,000 to 20 lakh will be the liberalized as per the section 80D while claiming for your income tax. The third one will be the capital gains. So when we sell our shares, whether it is going to be employee stock options or other shares, it's normally about 10%. And now I think this policy is likely to be introduced to revise the rate. And as far as the employee option, this could be deferred so that the expenditure can be booked for the succeeding years. And fourth will be the reintroduction of infrastructure bonds. So one way that I think they'll get a relief from the point of the consumers, and from the point of government they'll accumulate revenue so that new bonds will be released. So they'll considering the two benefits, this is also likely to be introduced during this budget session. And the fifth one, the last one, is estate duty and inheritance taxes. In fact, it was abolished in 1985. Now they want to reintroduce again. That is introduced for the individual as well as the business people, imposing taxes on luxury goods. And moreover, one more thing they have added in the capital gains, that when you sell your property, that this capital gain will also be added in your tax. That is applicable for the people who are having more than 2 buildings. So that is also to be considered. And there will be a new tax will be imposed on the luxurious goods. So I think this year a little tough period by paying taxes for many things, and unless you purchase your infrastructure bonds, you cannot claim. But as far as expenditure on mental health and medical insurance, everything will have a facility to produce the actual expenses incurred. And LTC, we are going to submit the expenditures on goods and services worth of 36,000 rupees per person can be claimed. So the SOPs and relief, I think we'll have to wait and see whether it is reasonable or unreachable or something which will be discussed. It's a paperless budget which will wait and see for the 5 items. So let us wait. Thank you very much.